Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix access denied on Zarchiver. Okay, let's go see your problem. Now tap on Zarchiver. You can see this is problem. Let's go solve your problem. First of all, open your phone setting. Scroll down little bit. Now tap on apps and then tap on special apps access. Tap on all file access and then tap on search option. Search here Zarchiver. Tap on Zarchiver. Now tap on here and enable this option. Go back your home screen and then tap on Play Store application. Now tap on search icon. Search here Zarchiver. Update your Zarchiver if it is available. My Zarchiver already updated. Now go back your home screen and then open your Zarchiver. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.